Hola amigos, hola amigas, Dorian here from Hooverlux. Welcome, bienvenido, croeso salam alaikum. Welcome to the channel, y'all. Chesh, nyak shimash. G'day, y'all. So what have I got today? We have got a bag from sportsdirect.com. That is not really the video today. What we're going to be looking is seeing what is inside the bag from Sports Direct. Nothing to do with Sports Direct, it's just the bag that I dumped everything in. And we have a bit of a haul, so not the weekend just gone, but the weekend before, which is mid-June. We were in town and we went to BM Bargains, Poundland, Aldi's, Lidl's. I think that's about it, yes. And there were some bits that I picked up related for the channel, so I thought it would be quite interesting for you guys to see what I picked up. Some of the things are tools from Aldi, and some of the things are bits and bobs from other discount stores. So, let's take a look inside and do this little goodie bag haul and have a look. Okay, so I forgot to say as well in the first part that this was when we went up to Newark. We went to Newark-on-Trent. So the first thing I got out of the bag are some from the pound shop. Dip it in paint brushes. These are very handy for a lot of the paints that I do, or brushing out stuff as well, so it's always handy to have paint brushes. When we were in the store called Boys, they had these, which are the VAC air fresheners that I use, so I picked up a couple of packs of these. There's 6 discs per pack, and they were 99p a pack, so you can never have enough vac fresheners, so I got some vac fresheners. I picked up some of these scouring brushes, sponges, because they're also very good for cleaning off as well, for metal as well. A pack of bin bags for the big bin. This I picked up as well in the pound store. Smooth it out sanding block and sheets. So there's a couple of sanding sheets in there, and I thought a bit of a sanding block as well, so give that a try. I also picked up some anti-rust metal protection paint in silver grey, because that's pretty good as well for doing the and some of the metal things I need to do. This would be quite good for an undercoat. I also picked up another little hammer. Hammer time, claw hammer from the pound shop. I then picked up 2 tins of coloured lacquer. This is 2-in-1 lacquer and primer, both of them are. This is glossy red and that is glossy black. And the other 2 things I got from Aldi. These 3 things were from Aldi. And I got 2 other things from Aldi as well. Or was it Lidl's? No, it was Lidl's, because that's the one with the bakery. That's it. So we went to Lidl's. First thing I got was this, which is an air multi-tool. So this is a Parkside air multi-tool PDMFW 15A1. 1800 RPMs, 6.3 bar, so it includes the segment saw blades, plunge cut saw blade, stainless steel scraper blade, sanding plate with hook and loop, fastener, 6 sanding sheets for wood, grey, and a bottle of oil, a plug nipple, including the sealing ring. So this is what's inside. So let's... Microphone issues. I need to get myself a little microphone stand. Okay, so it comes in a little case, which is very nice. And inside the case, Parkside, we have lots of different little tools, a little pot of oil, and then we have, wow, okay, and then we have the tool itself, which connects up to the air gun. So this is compression air powered, so that'll be really good, very handy. Yeah, looking forward to using that at some point. Air multi-tool. Excellent. Cutters, grinder, sander. And there's the instructions, so okay, that's perfect. I'm not going to look at it now. Don't need to use it yet. I will look at it when I need to use it. Handy little case. Oh, and this as well I bought. I had this from the pound shop that was hiding at the bottom. It is a magnifying light. It's a magnifier. It's a magnify glass with a light on it, so that I can see things up close. If I'm looking at motors and wherever, I can have a look. So I thought that would be very, very handy for the channel. And the last thing I had was this, which is a Parkside rotary tool. So basically it's like a Dremel, because I have a Dremel, as you may have seen. I don't know where it is now. It's around somewhere. Anyway, it's by the brand Dremel, so it's a proper Dremel brand, but it is battery powered. And the batteries in it are absolutely terrible. It's useless. It only lasts for about 2 minutes and then the battery runs out from full. It's not a lithium ion battery, it's just a standard battery. So I have a really, really good Dremel with the Dremel brand, but it's useless because the battery is broken on it. It doesn't keep its charge. So I was like, oh, that's great. And I went for the Dremel brand because I thought it was going to be the best. But the Dremel is absolutely fine, but then it's poo-pooed then by the battery being crap, so it's useless. So I saw this and I was like, sorry Dremel, you've had your chance, now it's gone. I need to get myself a proper powered Dremel. So I like these a lot because they come in these little cases, so you keep everything nice and safe. Take that safety thing off. Wow. Now this is the dog's doodahs. It comes with a clamp and a stand. It's mains powered, and the good thing about it is as well, it also comes with this extension kit. So if I'm doing Dremeling, so I put that on there. I don't know how to do it properly. I'll have a look. I'll read the instructions. But that is fantastic. Wow, I'm really chuffed with that. So I can do some really, really good Dremeling by hand. And it's also got this stand as well, so I can clamp it and have it like that on the side. Fantastic. Love it, love it, loving it. Instructions are in here. That's another part as well, which I will read. Oh, that's got an LED light attachment to it, so that must be battery powered somehow, but there's also like a little light that you can put on there. Wow. Or was it this end? I don't know. I'll read the instructions anyway, but wow, that's fantastic. I love these things. I love all these gadgets. Right. Let's put this beast back, because I just got all excited and just tossed everything out. Without looking and seeing where they're going. Alright, okay. Just amuse yourselves a moment while I just work this out. There we go. Should have taken a picture of this, shouldn't I? Ah, that's it. It's got that clip thing on it. Oh, okay. That's where the stand goes. That's where the clamp goes. And this little box as well, it comes with all these different little bits. Excellent, we've got a bit of everything in there. Alright, let's see if this closes up now. Yes, it does. So there we go. It was literally just a very quick video today, but I just wanted to show you my pan shop haul. So there we go. Nice quick one for you guys today. Let me just finish off the video. So there we go. Nice quick one for you today, as I just said. Thank you very much for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe for more videos. You will probably see these items being used in future restorations. There is another big item coming to help with the metal restoration. So I will let you guys know on Instagram when that arrives. So stay tuned. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys tomorrow or for the next video. Bye, y'all.